Okay, second recording of the storm damage to show you just how powerful the winds were coming through here. There's a picture of our steel garage door that got smacked by that limb right there with such force, and it blew it right off
Track.
the channel.
Oh shit.
As you can see, the dent there with all the debris, and this is the closest stick laying to it. I can only assume with the wind, if you take a direct line through all the damage, it's where the barn was. And another little treat that Mother Nature gave us, that even killed birds that were in the air or living in the trees. This was a pretty powerful storm.